I love Justin Bieber. He's like amazing. I've been watching him as a kid walk for a while now, and then all of a sudden I'm getting so nice and it's just like I really screamed during our last video. And it's just like and she's like, I have no idea what we're talking about. I'm like, one time. He loves me. I'm kidding, but I'm just so glad that he's famous now, and that I'm finally like just watching him on TV instead of watching him on YouTube, even though I still watch him on YouTube, like, and subscribe to him, so like all his videos always pop up and I was like, yay, a new video, like, it's amazing, like, he's just like, I don't know, like, his voice is so amazing, it's listen. I don't know, I just really like him, and I hope that he comes out with more stuff, and hopefully soon he'll be on my wall, and I can take these losers off, and put him up there. So,